Narrator, we've all been there. That nagging headache throbbing behind your eyes. That feeling of sluggishness dragging you down. The brain fog making it hard to focus. These common complaints often lead us to reach for coffee, sugary snacks, or even medication. But what if the solution is far simpler? Something we often overlook. Narrator. The human body is a marvel of complex systems, constantly working to keep us functioning at our best. And just like any intricate machine, it requires the right fuel to operate efficiently. While nutrition plays a crucial role, there's one element that often gets underestimated: water. We hear it constantly: drink 8 glasses of water a day. But is this just another health myth? Or is there real science behind the importance of hydration for our overall well-being? Narrator. The truth is, staying properly hydrated is essential for optimal performance in every aspect of life. From physical activity to cognitive function, from mood regulation to digestion, water plays a vital role in countless bodily processes. Water makes up about 60% of our bodies, serving as the primary solvent for essential nutrients and minerals. It transports these vital components to our cells, removes waste products, and helps regulate our body temperature. Narrator. But what happens when we don't drink enough water? The consequences can be far-reaching and impact our health in profound ways. Even mild dehydration can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and impaired concentration. Our brains rely heavily on water to function effectively, and even slight reductions in hydration can negatively affect our cognitive performance, mood, and memory. Narrator. Building on this, chronic dehydration can have more serious consequences. It can increase the risk of kidney stones, urinary tract infections, constipation, and even heat stroke. In extreme cases, severe dehydration can be life-threatening. But don't despair. Recognizing the importance of hydration is the first step towards taking control of your health. This documentary will delve into the science behind water consumption, exploring the benefits of staying properly hydrated and providing practical tips on how to ensure you're meeting your daily fluid needs. Narrator. Get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge as we uncover the secrets of optimal hydration. Narrator. Now that we understand the far-reaching consequences of dehydration, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world within our bodies and explore exactly what happens at a cellular level when we consume water. Every single cell in your body relies on water to function correctly. This vital fluid acts as the ultimate solvent, dissolving essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals, allowing them to be transported throughout the bloodstream and delivered to where they're needed. Building on this, water also plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature. When you exercise or engage in any physical activity, your internal temperature rises. Water acts as a coolant, absorbing excess heat and releasing it through sweat. This intricate process prevents overheating and allows your body to maintain its optimal operating temperature. Think of water as the internal thermostat that keeps you cool and functioning smoothly. However, water's importance extends far beyond simple transport and temperature regulation. It's deeply involved in countless biochemical reactions that occur within our cells every second. These reactions are responsible for everything from converting food into energy to building new tissues and repairing damaged ones. Water participates directly in these processes, acting as a reactant or product in many enzymatic reactions. For instance, the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose, our primary energy source, relies heavily on water. This hydrolysis reaction splits complex sugar molecules apart, releasing glucose that cells can utilize for fuel. Similarly, water is essential for DNA replication and protein synthesis, processes fundamental to growth and repair. Studies by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine have shown that even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, including attention, memory, and reaction time. Dr. Smith, research indicates that even a small decrease in body water content can significantly impact brain function. The brain is about 75% water, and it requires a constant supply of this vital fluid to operate efficiently. This explains why we often feel sluggish or mentally foggy when dehydrated. Our brain simply isn't functioning at its best without adequate hydration. Athletes who push their bodies to the limit are particularly susceptible to the effects of dehydration. Studies published in the Journal of Sports Sciences have shown that even mild dehydration can decrease athletic performance by up to 30%. This highlights the critical role water plays in supporting physical activity and maximizing our potential. By understanding the intricate ways water works within our bodies, we can appreciate its fundamental importance for overall health and well-being. Staying properly hydrated is not just about quenching thirst. It's about providing our cells with the essential fluid they need to thrive and perform at their best. But here's the catch. The conventional wisdom about hydration, often boiled down to drink 8 glasses a day, falls short of capturing the nuanced reality of our body's needs. While this general guideline might serve as a starting point, it's far from a one-size-fits-all solution. Building on this, we need to delve deeper into why standard advice often misses the mark, and why people consistently struggle with proper hydration. The root cause lies in a fundamental misunderstanding of how our bodies regulate fluid balance. You see, the 8 glasses a day mantra treats hydration as a static quantity, implying that all individuals require the same volume of water regardless of their activity levels, environment, or even individual physiology. This oversimplification ignores the dynamic nature of hydration, where our needs fluctuate constantly throughout the day. Think about it this way. An athlete engaged in intense physical exertion will lose significantly more fluids through sweat compared to someone leading a sedentary lifestyle. Similarly, individuals living in hotter climates experience greater water loss due to increased perspiration. These factors underscore the importance of personalized hydration strategies that consider individual circumstances. Moreover, the 8 glasses a day rule fails to acknowledge the impact of other beverages and dietary sources on our overall fluid intake. Consuming fruits and vegetables with high water content, like watermelon or cucumber, contributes to our daily hydration. Similarly, coffee and tea, often perceived as dehydrating, can actually contribute to our fluid balance when consumed in moderation. This leads us to the pervasive problem of thirst suppression. Our bodies have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to conserve water when necessary. However, this natural adaptation can sometimes lead to delayed recognition of dehydration. Many people rely solely on thirst as an indicator, waiting until they feel parched before reaching for a drink. By that point, mild to moderate dehydration may already have set in, potentially impairing cognitive function and physical performance. This reliance on thirst cues creates a dangerous feedback loop. As our bodies become increasingly dehydrated, the sensation of thirst intensifies, often leading to excessive fluid consumption to compensate. However, this rapid intake can overwhelm the kidney's ability to process fluids efficiently, potentially leading to electrolyte imbalances and other health complications. The bottom line is that standard hydration advice often falls short because it oversimplifies a complex physiological process. It fails to account for individual variations in fluid needs and relies on thirst as the sole indicator of hydration status. This can lead to both underhydration and overhydration, highlighting the need for a more nuanced approach. This highlights the need for a more nuanced approach, one that moves beyond simply chugging water when thirsty. So, how can we optimize hydration and truly fuel our bodies for peak performance? Let's delve into actionable steps, incorporating both nutrition and lifestyle choices. Building on this understanding of individual needs, the first step is to personalize your hydration strategy. Forget the 8 glasses a day rule, it's simply too generic. Factors like activity level, climate, overall health, and even diet can significantly influence your fluid requirements. Consider keeping a hydration log for a week or two, noting your water intake, urine color, and energy levels throughout the day. This self-awareness will provide valuable insights into your body's unique needs. However, simply drinking more water isn't the whole solution. Electrolytes, essential minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance and nerve function. When we sweat, we lose not only water but also electrolytes. This can lead to imbalances that manifest as fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, and even cognitive impairment. This leads us to the next crucial step: replenishing electrolytes strategically. Sports drinks can be helpful during intense or prolonged exercise, but for everyday hydration, consider incorporating electrolyte-rich foods into your diet. Water-packed fruits like watermelon and cantaloupe are excellent sources of potassium. Bananas are packed with potassium and magnesium, while leafy greens like spinach and kale provide a good dose of calcium and magnesium. For savory options, try broth-based soups or salty snacks in moderation, focusing on natural sources over processed ones. Speaking of food choices, let's discuss their impact on hydration. Certain foods naturally contain high water content, contributing significantly to your daily intake. Think cucumbers, watermelon, strawberries, spinach, and even soup. Conversely, some foods can have a dehydrating effect. Processed meats, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can pull water from your body, hindering optimal hydration. Now, let's talk about lifestyle habits that influence hydration. First and foremost, make mindful choices throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip consistently, even when you don't feel thirsty. Set reminders on your phone or schedule regular water breaks to ensure you're staying adequately hydrated. Additionally, listen to your body's signals. If you experience headaches, fatigue, dry mouth, or dark urine, it could be a sign of dehydration. Don't wait for extreme symptoms. Address these early signs promptly by increasing your fluid intake and incorporating electrolyte-rich foods. Furthermore, consider the impact of exercise on hydration needs. Physical activity, especially in hot weather, significantly increases fluid loss through sweat. Prehydrate before workouts by drinking water consistently in the hours leading up to activity. During exercise, replenish fluids every 15-20 minutes, depending on intensity and duration. Post-workout, continue to hydrate adequately to replenish lost electrolytes and promote muscle recovery. Lastly, prioritize sleep as part of your hydration strategy. When we sleep, our bodies naturally produce less saliva, which can contribute to dehydration. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal hydration throughout the day. Remember, optimizing hydration is a personalized journey. By understanding your individual needs, incorporating electrolyte-rich foods and beverages, Adopting mindful hydration practices and listening to your body's cues, you can unlock the full potential of water for peak performance. When we truly integrate these principles into our daily lives, hydration transcends the realm of mere physical necessity. It evolves into a profound investment in our overall well-being. Building on this foundation of immediate benefits, let's delve into the transformative power of consistent hydration over the long term. Imagine water not just as a quenching agent, but as a catalyst for lasting change within your body and mind. Firstly, picture this. Chronic dehydration subtly saps your energy reserves, leaving you feeling perpetually fatigued and sluggish. Conversely, when you consistently nourish your cells with water, you unlock a surge of vitality. You'll find yourself tackling daily tasks with renewed vigor, engaging in physical activity with greater endurance, and experiencing a heightened sense of mental clarity. This isn't just about subjective feelings. Scientific research reveals the profound impact of hydration on energy production at the cellular level. Adequate water intake ensures the smooth functioning of mitochondria, the powerhouses within our cells responsible for generating energy. When these vital organelles are adequately hydrated, they operate with optimal efficiency, fueling your body and mind throughout the day. However, the transformative effects of long-term hydration extend far beyond increased energy levels. It acts as a powerful ally in your journey towards achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. This may seem counterintuitive, but drinking enough water can actually boost your metabolism. Water helps your body process nutrients efficiently, aids in digestion, and even supports healthy bowel function, all of which contribute to a balanced weight. Moreover, staying hydrated plays a crucial role in regulating appetite. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. By consciously prioritizing water intake throughout the day, you can curb these cravings and make healthier food choices. Think of it as your body's natural way of telling you it needs hydration, not calories. This leads us to another remarkable aspect of long-term hydration: its profound impact on skin health. Water acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin supple, radiant, and youthful. It flushes out toxins and impurities, promoting a clear complexion. By consistently hydrating your body from within, you're essentially nurturing your skin from the ground up, revealing a healthier, more vibrant glow. Furthermore, long-term hydration has a remarkable effect on cognitive function. Your brain is about 75% water, highlighting the crucial role it plays in maintaining optimal mental performance. When dehydrated, your cognitive abilities can suffer, leading to difficulty concentrating, impaired memory, and reduced overall alertness. Conversely, staying adequately hydrated sharpens your focus, enhances your memory, and boosts your creative thinking. This scientific understanding of hydration's profound impact on our physical and mental well-being underscores the urgency of making it a non-negotiable part of our daily routine. It's not simply about quenching thirst. It's about investing in our long-term health and vitality. But how do we bridge this gap between knowledge and action? How can we transform these insights into tangible, sustainable habits? The answer lies in cultivating mindful awareness and fostering a deep sense of gratitude for the life-giving power of water. Start by setting realistic goals that align with your lifestyle. Don't overwhelm yourself with drastic changes. Instead, gradually increase your water intake over time. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day, sipping on it regularly. Make it a ritual to start your day and end your evening with a large glass of water. Listen to your body's cues. Thirst is an early indicator that your hydration levels are dropping. Don't wait until you feel parched. Take regular sips throughout the day. Experiment with different ways to flavor your water, such as adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to make it more appealing. Remember, every conscious choice you make towards hydration is a step towards unlocking your full potential. It's an investment in your present well-being and a gift to your future self.